Good morning, guys. So it is Thursday, which means it's a vlogging day, and I was just having morning cuddles with my puppy. I'm probably gonna be hanging out with Chiara today. Yeah, so it should be fun. And we're gonna be going to the pool, or going in the pool, and going swimming and tanning and stuff, which should be fun. Hopefully I don't get sunburned like I do every single year. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go back to sleep for a little while. I just couldn't really sleep. I just couldn't sleep. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay. Let's get this day started. Okay, I don't know if vlogging and driving is illegal, but I'm about to do it. Alright, so let's lower that. Hold on. I have my dog with me, and we're going to go get my car washed because the sprinklers in my apartment complex have absolutely ruined it. Or stained it, or whatever you want to say. So we're gonna go get my car washed. And I have my puppy with me. She's a little scared, but she'll get over it. Alright, so that's what I'm doing. I want to go to the pool, but it doesn't open until 11 o'clock, so I have to wait. Alright. So I will talk to you guys all in a little bit, because you guys are just so awesome and I love talking to you. Okay? So let's go get my car washed. Hey guys, so I got my car washed. Check. Of course, the day that I planned to go to the pool and sit out and get some sun, it's like 65 degrees. Like, what is up, New York? Like, come on, I need sun. Let's see if I can show you from where I am, my car. Not new car, but my car. Because it looks beautiful. Hold on. Okay, so you see my car down there? It looks so shiny. My beauty. Let's see if maybe if I come up here, see it better. Oh, okay, yeah, there you go. My little blue baby. Isn't she cute? I love her. Named her Lacey because she just seems like a Lacey. So that's that. Whoa, I almost fell. Hold on, I'm gonna jump. Okay. So I'm probably gonna go edit Tuesday's video and upload that in a few. But first I think I'm gonna make myself some food because I'm hungry. Let me see what we have to eat. Anything good? Mac and cheese? No. Okay. Mashed potatoes. Not for a meal though. Maybe I'll make some pasta. Some pasta with butter. That doesn't feel like quite a lot of pasta. There's nothing to eat in this house. That sounds so bad. I'm really kidding. There's a lot to eat, but nothing that's like a lunch meal. Everything's like side dinner, like dinner sides. That will be edited out. Maybe I'll just make some popcorn. Popcorn. Not a sponsor. Alright. So I'm just going to put you guys there for 2 seconds while I pop this. And then I'm going to go edit that video. And then I am going to figure out what else to do today because I'm bored. And I finally have off and everybody's working or busy or whatever. So I'll figure it out. Okay, talk to you guys in a few minutes. Hey guys. Okay, so I did a really stupid thing and sat outside for a long time. And now I'm like really sunburned. Look at that. Look at the difference without showing too much. Look at the difference. Oops. Yeah, so I am like in pain now. But as you can see, my face didn't really get a lot, just like my chest and my arms. Like, yeah, but oh well. So Chiara's here now. She's in my room. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out and watch some TV, and then we're gonna go have some fun later. Hey, Emma! Emma! No. So yeah. I just don't know what to do today. It's really nice though. There she is! My dog's barking at everybody. Hold on. So Chiara, where are we?
Target. Okay.
Nice. We bought cornmeal. Because we're gonna make
Corn dogs.
corn dogs.
You're gonna vlog that.
It's not a sponsor.
I guess I could vlog a little bit.
Yeah, I guess you could. We're gonna go play with little kid toys because we're little kids.
I remember those things. We used to play with people all the
What
time.
are those? You see how badly sunburned I am?
I know you're really sunburned. Hey guys, what's up? I'm adventuring. That's what I said I would vlog.
Yeah, right.
We got cornmeal. Yellow cornmeal to be exact.
We don't really know the difference. If you guys know, let us know.
Yeah, let us know what's the difference between yellow and white cornmeal.
Bubbles!
When you're really 6 years old.
At heart. Oh, I like playing with these little balls.
What are these things?
I don't know. They're huge.
Do they bounce?
Let's find out. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so sunburned. All right.
They're weird.
So I'm sorry that I just stopped so randomly. My mom called. So yeah, we're still in Target.
I literally cannot hear anything.
You're literally screaming.
Put them on.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
It doesn't have a thing to like. This is so weird. This one,
Why?
because it used to be like all down here. I'm not gonna be able to do this.
It's pretty cool.
Well, first we have to cut the corn dogs, the already made corn dogs. We have to cut up the hot dogs.
Oh, we have to cut them up? Why? We're making mini corn dogs?
Yeah, nuggets.
Oh.
Mini nuggets.
I thought we were making, Oh, we don't even have the sticks. How the heck could we make those?
That's what we
Duh! Good job, Cass. Alright. So we're going to be making corn dogs. And this is going to be really funny because neither of us know how to do this. So let's put you over here. So there's that. All right, let's go figure out how to cook these things. Hey guys, so we are at the diner and we're waiting to get our food. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you all had a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Oh, comment of the day. Think of a comment of the day.
I don't know. What's a comment of the day?
So I do comment of the day now, where each video I say a question and they comment down below.
You say a question?
I ask a question. So like, what's your favorite? I don't know.
What's your favorite
Pool or beach?
television show?
Pool or beach? I already did that. Pool or beach? Okay. What do you like? What do you prefer? I prefer the beach, I think.
I prefer the pool, and just so you know, Cassie just said that she was a savage. She was not a savage, and she eats her pickles with a fork and a knife. You're welcome.
Yes, I do. I eat. Is that weird? Okay, is that weird? Like, you can tell me. Like, you can be honest. I'm so sunburned on my nose.
Look like my soon-to-be brother-in-law.
Sorry, the clip got cut short. Oh my gosh, look how sunburned. Okay, I gotta go. But remember, subscribe, like, comment, pool or beach, okay? Pick one and decide for me. Oh my god, I look so fat. Okay.
Oh my god, I look so bad. You don't, shut up.
Alright, I'll talk to you all tomorrow, okay? Say bye. Bye, guys.